Slime doll cake. That is what we are creating today. I had so much fun making this. Let's just get started. So I wasn't even planning on making this cake, but I had leftover batter from another project, and I decided, you know what? I love doll cakes. Let's just make another doll cake. On the first day, I just did the basics, stacking each of my cakes that I created in my Wilton's doll cake pan. At this point, I still didn't know that this was gonna be a slime doll cake. I was just gonna make it like a bomb designer dress at first. So I've got all my cakes layered. I'm adding buttercream, and then I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and go chill for a little bit. Tomorrow's when the decorating gets done. Welcome to day 2. So I was watching YouTube and I was watching clips from the Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards, and I was like, that's what my doll cake should be. So I rolled out Nickelodeon orange fondant and I just started to create this awesome gown. I'm putting on a 10-inch round piece of fondant, working it down and creating folds. And I added my doll. I always thought this doll looked like Ariana Grande, which is why I bought it, because I was planning to make an Ariana Grande cake. If you guys want me to make an Ariana Grande doll cake, I could do that. Just let me know in the comments. So this dress is very basic. I didn't want to add too many details because I knew that all of the details are going to be covered in slime, so what is the use? That being said, my basic details on any doll cake are already pretty fabulous, and this was no exception. And after I finished, we had this bomb Nickelodeon orange doll cake. Now, to create my slime, I used condensed milk, vanilla pudding, and green and yellow food coloring. I added a little bit of water to get the perfect texture, put it in the cup, and then it was time to have some fun. Oh. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how satisfying this is. Oh gosh. It was insanely fun to do this. I feel like this is the happiest I've ever been after completing a doll cake. This was even more entertaining than the tsunami doll cakes I created. Now if you want to see me make more of these, then I want you to comment with your favorite designer. And hopefully, if I get enough, I'll be sliming a very epic designer-inspired dress. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.